Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a showdown between two indoor security cameras that promise to keep your home safe and secure. In the left corner, we have the Litokam Indoor Camera 2K, and in the right corner, we have the LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera 2K. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to motion detection and tracking, both cameras have something to offer. The Litokam Indoor Camera 2K boasts advanced IR motion detection and smart tracking. It can quickly send alert notifications to your phone, keeping you in the know about any activity in your home. Now let's talk about video quality. The Litokam Indoor Camera 2K delivers stunning 2K Full HD resolution, ensuring crystal clear live video. With its 360 degrees auto rotation and 6 preset favorites cruise, you won't miss a single angle in your room. When the sun sets and darkness creeps in, you want a camera that can still capture every detail. The Litokam Indoor Camera 2K has you covered with its built-in 8 IR LEDs and auto-sensing activated night vision. You'll be able to monitor your baby's room or check on your furry friend even in complete darkness. Now let's talk about some additional features that might sway your decision. The Litokam Indoor Camera 2K comes with two-way audio and multiple shared views, allowing you to communicate with your family and share the camera feed with multiple users via the Little LF smartphone app. The Litokam Indoor Camera 2K has received positive reviews for its ease of setup, clear picture, quality, motion detection capabilities, and additional features like two-way audio. On the other hand, the LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera 2K is praised for its customizable motion detection, ultra-clear video quality, advanced night vision, and wireless installation. Both cameras have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the Litokam Indoor Camera 2K and the LaView 4MP Bulb Security Camera 2K. Both cameras have their strengths and unique features, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your home security needs. Remember, it's not just about the product, but also about your personal preferences and budget. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.